Stop the spread of germs that can make you and your friends sick. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you sneeze or cough. Then throw away that tissue in a bin with a cover. If you do not have a tissue, cough or sneeze into bent elbow. When you are finished, wash your hands thoroughly with clean water and soap while you sing the happy birthday song. If water and soap are not available, use hand sanitizer while you count from 1 to 10 slowly. A message from the Ministry of Public Health and PAHO WHO.